guys, welcome to a new video of certified YouTuber. In this video we are going to drop the iQOO Z3 from the 1 kilometer height from the ground. So let's get started. Start the countdown. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Before we drop this phone, let's unbox this. Here you can see the phone made out of plastic, so it can feel that of a premium in the hand, but still considering the price point I can't complain much of it. And the 64 megapixel Samsung GM3 sensor is a really capable camera system, and it also have a 8 megapixel wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. In this price point, the camera quality of this phone is really good, and the main USP of this phone is its Snapdragon 768G processor, which is a really powerful processor in this price point. I think one of the best phone for this price point to play games. If you are a heavy user or a gamer, then must go for this at this price point. And also it's a 5G phone, so you don't need to worry about it. And it also have a 55 watt supercharging, and it have a 4400 mAh battery. So without wasting any more time, let's go to our drop location and drop this phone. So here you can see guys, we arrived at our drop location. Let's hang this phone to our drone. Now let's fly this drone to 1 kilometer height and drop this phone. So guys, we are approximately 1 kilometer height. Are you guys ready? So let's start the countdown. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So guys, we'll go to our home and clear up everything, and let's see what happened to this phone. Here you can see guys, the phone is unable to survive this test properly. The phone takes the impact really hard, but still it somehow shows some signs of life, but it can't be usable anymore. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome content. And final, peace out.